Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for all people born on the 2nd, the 11th, the 20th or 29th of any month. This reading is for the month of December 2020. Let's see, what we have going on. This month we are going to do it a little differently. We are going to pull up our theme cards and we are going to pull up our oracle cards in the start. So the card I have for you is number 1 is Yamuna Devi, the goddess of purification. So a lot of you guys are going to be focused on, getting rid of toxic people from your life, getting rid of things that have not been working out for you. A lot of people could actually be, cleaning their houses. You could be planning to do, maybe like, redecoration or, organization of your house or stuff like that. So the mantra I have for you is the mantra of Yamuna Devi would actually help you a lot. So in terms of, blessings that I see is that absorption in spiritual truth, attachment to God's personal form, joy of divine playfulness and self-purification. So, just like the things I told you, you are going to be purifying a lot of things. You are going to be starting a lot of things. You are going to be reorganizing a lot of things. You are going to make sure that, when the next year starts, you actually have space in your life for all the amazing and all the great people. All right, so the next card I have for you from the Whispers of Lord Ganesha is concentration, number 9. So a lot of you are going to be focused on, improving things in your life. You are going to make sure you are going to make the needed efforts. You are going to be focused on your goals, whether it is related to your love life, whether it is related to your finances, or whether it is related to whatever that is you want to achieve. Your concentration, your focus is going to be on those things 100%. You are going to be involved with a lot of writing. You are going to be involved with a lot of research, a lot of, things. For a lot of people, I think, especially, there could be exams that you have to give this month, which tells me, you are going to be very focused on studying. So something related to books, something related to writing, something related to, things that are where you learn, where there's, information coming in, information going. So you would be doing all those things in the month of December. So from tarot, we have the 3 of Gabriel saying prosperity arises from wise planning, time to take the next step, optimistic plans that turn out as expected. So with this card showing up, I feel like some of you could also be traveling at the same time, because this talks about prosperity arising from wise planning, which is, related again to books, something to do with information. That means, you are making plans. You have already started making plans for next year. You're already planning what are the things you could do, how are the way things could, turn out next month, or, the way things could actually move ahead, and, what you could do. Or maybe, you've already started working on your New Year's resolution. The next card I have for you is leap of faith, which is the Fool. Believe in yourself, listen to your heart, do what gives you joy. So this is the second card I have pulled for you, which means, after a lot of planning, after thinking about it a lot, especially, for people who are traveling, you are going to start something which is completely new to you, something you have never done before, and something, you are going to start very, very quickly. All you have to do is you need to have confidence and you have to believe in yourself, and all the good things are going to happen to you. The next card I have for you guys is the 6 of Ariel. 6 of Ariel talks about material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Acts of kindness, giving or receiving with a grateful heart. For a lot of people, especially, people who have not been employed and are waiting for employment, I would not say I see employment coming, but I see, you are going to start getting money through some way. Either you are going, over the past few months you guys might have started something new, and, that's giving you material abundance. But I definitely see you making, some extra cash, some extra money. Or maybe, with, December coming up and, New Year, I think there's going to be change of gifts, and maybe this time you are going to be getting a lot of, cash cards instead of, gifts. And that could be one way, how finances are coming towards you next month. So you never know. Let me know what happens. The next card I have for you is the Two of Raphael, which is the Two of Cups. Two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Kindred spirits, don't give up on those you love. So a lot of people, who are going to travel, I don't know whether you're going to travel to see a significant other, and with this Three of Gabriel, it talks about travel, and with the leap of faith, the Fool cards are jumping into something. But Two of Raphael, showing up here basically confirms a lot of people are going to be traveling for love. You are going to be taking some risk related to your love life. Either you are going to start trusting that person who you have been engaging with for the past couple of months. Maybe you'll connect with them. Maybe you'll finally do that video call, especially for all those people who are in a long distance relationship. December could be the month where you actually see the other person for the first time. For all the others, I think especially people who are worried about their finances, when you receive this income, right, when you receive this extra cash, that is going to make your heart full of joy, and that is when you are going to decide that you actually need to start a business of your own. Because Two of Raphael here, for some, I think it's about your relationship, when you're going to finally meet somebody, have a relationship. But for majority of you, the way I see it is, this showing up is you recognizing that you have this need, there's a side to yourself, or there's a part of you that actually wants financial stability, and you are going to start working for it. See, what did I tell you? With the Knight of Gabriel, it talks about it's time to take action, great passion for a cause, instinctively knowing what to do. See, I told you, you guys are going to be traveling, you guys are going to be making the steps. So I would see majority of you guys taking a physical action, like having a physical moment, like a physical, not moment, but a movement towards something which can give you tangible results. I am talking about a tangible movement, you actually doing something, signing up a contract, reading something, making notes, stuff like that, something that's going to help you with your finances. So you are getting that little bit of finances here. This is going to be like a little gamble, like you get a little money, and then that's going to drive you, and you are going to think about ways you can make more money. The final card I have for you is Perspective, number 12. There's a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be indifferent. Told you, right? Two major arcanas here which are telling you, number one, take the leap of faith, just do it, don't worry about the results, just go for it. And the second one I have for you is Perspective, which says you have to look at the situation in a different manner. If you have been you feel like you can't do this, you can't do that, you have to change the way you look at it. You see how this angel in this card is basically turned upside down. So instead of standing on the ground and looking at the situation, it's hanging upside down and looking at the situation, because it's going to give them a different perspective to whatever is going to happen. So for the month of December, especially for things that have been troubling you, just take a different perspective. Just look at the entire situation differently. Just look at the way you can do things in a different manner. Maybe put yourself in someone else's shoes and then decide. So if you have a business plan, this is a great idea, this is a great suggestion by the cards, of thinking things in a different way. Go for it, and let me know if this reading resonates, or there were parts of things that's going on in your life and I didn't catch up on. So yeah, thank you.